Hello, hi, welcome to this channel. Today we will discuss about salient features of the Indian Constitution. My first slide is point is lengthiest written constitution. India's constitution is one of the longest in the world with detailed provision covering various aspects of governments. As we know, India's constitution is the one of the longest constitution in the world because my second point is preamble. The preamble highlights the ideas of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Yes, India's constitution has everything in detail, so we can see also. Next point is sovereign. India is independent in its internal affairs, not subject to any other authority. Yes, because India has provisions of everything, and my next point is secular. There is no official state religion. All religions are treated equally. Yes, India has no fixed religion because we worship all religions. We consider all religions are same. My next point is socialist. Emphasize social welfare and equitable distribution of resources. Yes, because every resources is available. My next point is democratic. India follows a democratic system where leaders are elected by the people. Yes, because we can choose any leader by democratic system. My next point is republic. The head of state, president is elected rather than a hereditary monarch. Yes, means he choose by election. My next point is single citizenship. Citizens have the same rights across all Indian states. Yes, we can go all state and we can show our identity. Identity will be considered same. My next point is federal structure with unitary bias. India has both central and state governments, but the center holds more power. Yes, means every state has different provisions and central has different provision, but center provision is more. My next point is fundamental rights protects individual liberties like freedom of speech, equality, and protection from discrimination. Yes, we can speak anywhere and we can speak anywhere because that is our fundamental rights. These are our fundamental rights. My next point is fundamental duties. List the moral obligations of citizens toward the nation. Yes, these are our fundamental duties. My next point is directive principles of state policy. Guidelines for the state to promote welfare, economic justice, and equality. Yes, because government is also supportable here. My next point is independent judiciary. Judiciary functions independently of the executive and legislature. Yes, because they are not forced by anyone because they can justice and So my next point is judicial review. Judiciary has the power to invalidate laws conflicting with the constitution. Yes. So my next point is parliamentary systems. Based on the British model with an elected parliament and a prime minister. Yes, our system, parliament system like British model. So my next point is universal adult franchise. Franchise. Every adult citizen has the right to vote. Yes, means every can citizen participate in the vote means but he should has vote card. So my next point is bicameral legislature consists of two houses, Lok Sabha houses of the people and Rajya Sabha council of states. Yes, we have two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So my next point is written constitution. The constitution is a single written document detailing laws and rights. Yes, because our constitution is fully right and he has all details about laws and rights. So my next point is rigid and flexible. Some parts of the constitution can be amended easily while other require a special procedure. Yes, because government can change very easily some provisions. So my next point is federal system. Distribution of powers between the central and state governments. Yes, means government has provide some powers to central and some powers to state government. So my next point is emergency provisions. Provisions for handling national, state and financial emergencies. My next point is special provisions for certain states. Special states status provisions for states like Jammu and Kashmir now revoked, Nagaland, etc. Yes, because now J&K special provisions has finished. So my next point is amendment process. The constitution can be amended to keep it relevant and responsive to the changes need. Yes, some provisions can't be changed easily. They can change after a long process. So my next point is secular state. India does not favor any religion and ensures freedom of religious practice. Yes, we don't favor any religion, but we can worship all. We can go all religions places. So my next point is independent public services. Public service commissions operate independently for impartial recruitment. So my next point is adult suffrage. Right to vote for all citizens over the age of 18. Yes, we can go for a vote after 18, but we should have voter card. So my next point is rule of law. All individuals are equal under the law. Yes, no matter he is present, no matter he is CM no matter. So my next point is Council of Ministers, led by the Prime Minister, responsible to the Lok Sabha. Yes, because Prime Minister elected by the Lok Sabha members. So my next point is Union and State list, power divided into Union, State, and concurrent list. Yes, we have divided powers, not means also in government. So my next point is Election Commission, independent body to conduct free and fair elections. Yes, Election Commission is free. So my next point is Governor's role, represents the president at the state levels and acts as a link between center and state. Yes. So my next point is integrated judicial systems, unified system where the Supreme Court is the highest authority. Yes. Means after Supreme Court only president can take decision. So my next point is financial powers, distinct allocation of financial responsibilities between center and states. Yes, as well as financial responsibilities is divided. So my next point is special provisions for minorities, protects the interests of minority communities. Yes, we have also provisions to save the minorities and as well as increase. So my next point is reservation system, provided reservation in education, employment, and political representation for SCs, STs, and OBCs. Yes, government has provided reservation from for every category. So my next point is directive for Panchayati Raj, promotes decentralized governments at local levels. Yes, local levels like panchayat system. So my next point is comprehensive electoral system, a robust mechanism to elect representatives at various levels. So my next point is provisions for equality, article prohibiting discrimination on ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Yes, we can say also. So my next point is emergency powers of presidents, includes provisions for national emergency, state emergency, and financial emergency. Yes, we have provision, and president can take decision in. So my next point is quasi federal, strong central government with some federal features. So my next point is special status of tribes, protection of culture and resources of scheduled tribes and regions. Yes, we can save scheduled tribes and regions also. So my next point is judicial independence. Provisions like security of tenure ensure judges remain impartial. So my next point is special mention of fundamental rights and duties. Balances rights with citizens' responsibilities. Yes, we have rights and government has provided rights to us. So my next point is language provisions. Recognizes multiple language for official and administrative purpose. Yes, government has provides language options, but not in every state. Means government has provide. So my next point is uniform civil code directive encourages uniform laws for all citizens on personal matters, though not mandatory. Yes, it's not mandatory. So my next point is decentralization. Emphasis on Panchayat Raj and urban local bodies. So my next point is provisions for reservation in legislatures. Yes, reserved seat in Lok Sabha and state assemblies for SC STs. Yes, means government has provided reservations in also assembly for SC ST and also as well as women's. So next my next point is guardian of the constitution. The Supreme Court is the protector and interpreter of the Constitution. Yes, means Supreme Court save Constitution. So my next point is social justice and welfare. Ensures justice for all, especially marginalized section of society. Yes, government has provided justice and laws to weakened section or societies. So my next point is provision for national language. Hindi is Devanagari script is the official language of the Republic of India, though other languages are recognized for regional purposes. Yes, like Punjabi in Punjab, Oriya in Odisha, and so many states government has provided regional language to official purpose. So thank you for watching this video. So please like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much.